Hey everybody, so I am starting a new series on cellbotics to help you. So I get tons of questions about how to start my business. I've tried, I failed, I can't find the time, I don't have the money. How do I do this? So I am starting a new session on YouTube only, and you can basically submit your information. You can do it anonymously, or you can come on interview style. And what I will do is take a bunch of information that I'm going to ask you, and it's totally confidential. It will not leave me. And what I will do is help you make a plan for starting your business. Now, with this being said, there's two things that this video is about. One, I need help picking a name. So I've come up with two names, and I don't know if they're terrible or if they're great, but I need your opinion. Two, it's important to know before you come into this series that the way I look at opening a business is not to go get a loan and then open a business. I mean, unless you were doing something like a restaurant or buying into a franchise, um, and if you have experience running a business, then yeah. But for people that are working full time and then go to open a business, I have found over the years of working with hundreds of people who are opening businesses, and I've seen the good, the bad, the angry, okay? That my perspective on that is if you've never owned a business, that it's best to grow the business slowly and invest money and sacrifice and do the grit, right? Not everybody agrees with that. So I'm going to make sure that my messaging with this program is very clear, that people understand where I'm coming from. Um, and where I'm basing my information off of. I've done tons of research over the years on different ways to pay off debt, ways to manage your money, do budgeting, creative ways to start a business. So I'm going to bring all of that into these sessions, and it's going to be very individualized, and it's totally free. I'm trying to give back, and I'm trying to help, and I want to bring that to YouTube, and maybe we'll get some more followers out of it, right? But that's not really the goal. I just really want to help people. I mean, so many people that want to open a business and they struggle. And I'm just like, oh, I wish I could just deep dive with you, right? So here are the two names for the sessions. One is Blueprint for Breakthrough Sessions or Strategic Startup Sessions. Now, I have used AI to come up with tons of names, and I don't know if my mind is just running in circles, but I would love your idea. I need something catchy, something that can show up in search results, and that actually portrays what this is about. So I'm excited to see what you guys got. I will comment the two names below the video so you can vote or post your own ideas, and I hope to see you guys in this session.